Hello guys, welcome to techvice. Today we are unboxing the Saramonic Blink 500. It's a compact dual channel wireless microphone system. It comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Even if it has 2 transmitters, it records the audio in 1 track, so keep that in mind. The receivers and transmitter has a built-in clip, and it comes with 2 lavaliers microphone. It transmits on 2.4 GHz frequency and has a built-in battery, so you don't have to change battery. You can charge it with the USB-C. This is one of the many versions of this microphone. This is the B2 model. You have more models. The transmitter comes with the Lightning and USB port in case you have iOS or Android. So let's see what is inside this box. This is a very complete system. It has the user manual, 2 transmitters with built-in microphone and bell clip. You can use this microphone with the lavalier microphone or with the built-in microphone. The clip looks good, looks strong, even if it's plastic, but it looks good. You have 2. Remember that it records on only 1 track, no separate track. Okay, here's the receiver. Has a USB port for charging. A small box, so no charging brick. Here's a carrying case, very useful. Very nice package. Many cables on this box, so let's see. You have 1, 2, and 3 USB-C cables. And here you have 1 lavalier microphone, 2, and the audio cables to connect to your cell phones or camera. So you have 2 lavaliers microphones, 2 transmitter, 1 receiver, 3 USB-C cables for charging. All 3 use USB-C. That's good, that's a plus. USB-C is a plus these days. The 2 audio cables to connect the system to your cell phone or camera. It comes with a pin. It's the same pin that you use to change the SIM card on your cell phone, but in this case it's gonna be used to pair the transmitter and receiver. We're gonna make a video later on how to set up this system with the camera or your cell phone. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell so you can get notified when we have new videos. This is a very complete system to improve your audios and your videos. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any question about anything you see here, please leave it on the comments, and see you on the next one.